Welcome to AMABestChoice.com. In this video, we've scoured Amazon to bring you the top 5 best yoga mats that are a perfect blend of comfort, durability, and performance. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting your fitness journey, we've curated a selection that caters to all preferences. From extra thick mats to eco-friendly options, we've got something for everyone.
Number 1.
The Gaiam Yoga Mat stands out as an exceptional choice for yoga enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of durability, comfort, and style. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise on thickness, providing optimal cushioning for joints during any yoga or fitness routine. The reversible feature adds versatility with 2 textured, sticky, non-slip surfaces, ensuring excellent traction and grip to keep you focused and motivated. What sets this mat apart is its commitment to health and the environment, being made of non-toxic and 6P-free PVC, free from harmful substances like DEP, DBP, BBP, DINP, DIDP, and NOP. The mat's dimensions, 68L x 24 inches wide by 6 mm thick, offer ample space for a variety of exercises. Additionally, the thoughtful inclusion of a free downloadable yoga workout enhances the overall value of the purchase. For those seeking a reliable, eco-friendly, and high-performing yoga mat, the Gaiam Yoga Mat undoubtedly stands as the best choice.
Number 2.
The Retrospec Solana Yoga Mat emerges as an exceptional choice for yoga enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of comfort, stability, and durability. With an impressive 1-inch extra thickness, this mat provides unparalleled support, alleviating stress on joints, hips, hands, and knees, making it ideal for a variety of exercises. The non-slip grip ensures a secure and balanced practice, minimizing the risk of injuries, and allowing users to focus on their workout or yoga routine. The mat's durability makes it suitable for everyday use, and its portability is enhanced by the included nylon carrying strap, making it convenient to transport from home to the studio. The commitment to a chemical-free composition, free from phthalate, heavy metals, and latex, underscores its dedication to user well-being. Additionally, easy maintenance is a standout feature, as the Solana mat is effortless to clean with a mix of gentle soap and water. For a yoga mat that excels in comfort, grip, durability, and cleanliness, the Retrospec Solana Yoga Mat is undoubtedly a top choice.
Number 3.
The Sunny Health and Fitness Yoga Mat stands out as an excellent choice for individuals seeking convenience, versatility, and comfort in their exercise routine. The innovative trifold design, measuring 6 feet in length, ensures ample cushioning for exercises such as crunches and leg extensions, providing a comfortable surface for users of all levels. Its lightweight and portable nature, coupled with integrated nylon handles, make transportation a breeze, allowing the mat to easily fit into closets, car trunks, or gym storage units. The 2-inch padding offers exceptional support during various training activities, including yoga, core strengthening, stretching, Pilates, and martial arts. The mat's versatility extends to its use as a spare bed, floor mat, or even a play area for children. The convenient nylon straps make carrying hassle-free, eliminating the need to struggle with the entire mat. The durable nylon cover is tear-resistant and easy to clean, ensuring longevity and hygiene. Overall, the Sunny Health and Fitness Yoga Mat impresses with its thoughtful design, portability, and comfort, making it a standout choice for fitness enthusiasts at all levels.
Number 4.
The BalanceFrom 7-piece set yoga mat from the Go Yoga series stands out as a comprehensive and versatile choice for yoga practitioners of all levels. This set offers a complete package, including a yoga mat with carrying strap, 2 yoga blocks, a yoga mat towel, a yoga hand towel, a stretch strap, and a yoga knee pad. The option to choose between a 1/2 inch thick mat and a 1/4 inch thick mat caters to individual preferences, providing dimensions of 71 inches long and 24 inches wide for the former, and 68 inches long and 24 inches wide for the latter. Both mats feature double-sided non-slip surfaces, enhancing safety during workouts, and are easily washable with soap and water due to moisture-resistant technology. The microfiber yoga towels, measuring 72 x 24 and 24 x 15, offer prime absorption for slip-resistant and sweat-free workouts and are conveniently machine washable. The inclusion of a yoga knee pad, 2 yoga blocks, and a yoga strap completes the set, making it a well-rounded and excellent choice for those seeking a comprehensive yoga solution. The BalanceFrom 7-piece set combines quality, functionality, and convenience, making it a top contender for the best yoga mats on the market.
Number 5.
PRIMASOLE's yoga mat stands out as a top-notch choice, embodying the essence of trustworthiness, eco-friendliness, and performance. As a fitness brand established in April 2019, PRIMASOLE has curated a lineup of fitness essentials, including this remarkable yoga mat. Crafted from eco-friendly material, this non-toxic and PVC-free mat not only prioritizes your well-being, but also takes a step further in environmental responsibility by not generating harmful substances even when incinerated. The double-layer design, coupled with an embossed surface, ensures a non-slip, secure, and stable foundation for a wide range of exercises, from hot yoga to core strength routines. The mat's 68 by 24-inch dimensions and half-inch extra thickness provide optimum comfort and stability, making it ideal for individuals with sensitive or injured joints, including seniors. The inclusion of a carrying case and strap enhances its portability, making it convenient for home or gym use. Overall, PRIMASOLE's yoga mat stands out as an exemplary choice, blending functionality, sustainability, and thoughtful design, making it a strong contender for the best yoga mat in the market.